Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, today I'm gonna share with you face mask especially for people with dry skin. We have here flaxseed. Flaxseed is packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 acids have healing properties and they are great moisturizers. This seed has anti-inflammatory and soothing effects to the skin. It helps calm rashes and irritated skin. Let's begin by the gel. All we need here is 1 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of flaxseed. Boil the flaxseed for about 10 minutes. You will see the water will slowly turn into gel. Pour this mixture into a metallic strainer to strain flax seeds and filter the gel. Well, all we need here is 2 teaspoons of flaxseed gel, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Take a bowl and combine all the ingredients in it until the mixture achieves a gel-like consistency. Clean and towel dry your face before applying this face mask evenly over your face. Let it rest for about 25 minutes and rinse with warm water. This mask gives you moisturized, acne-free, flawless and radiant skin that looks younger. People with dry skin that's prone to acne will benefit immensely from this mask. Try it twice a week for best results. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.